There you go. Come on, Kirby. Come on, Kirby.
Kirby, don't fuck up.
I'm not gonna.
Alright, cool. I think I'll make it. I think. Ah, shit. I spoke too soon.
Hold on, I'm gonna make it.
I'm not gonna make it. I just I got flung off the fucking road. I'm in the water.
Or steal some computers in a new
Just go sleep
place.
already.
Nah. I mean, it's just someone's cooking something. Okay. Hey. Oh, the car's not running anymore. Wait, it still is barely, but it's not going at a speed I would like. Oh, hey, Kirby. Oh, your car's still. Hey. Oh. I'm going.
Oh shit.
I'm having a coughing fit.
You're fine. You'll live.
Oh! Kirby both crashed.
Oh, I got it.
Me and Kirby both crashed separately on the same track.
We're so close.
Why is this map always so funny? Oh! Oh man! Hey Kirby! What happened to you?
Come on. Come on.
Hey guys!
Issue.
I crashed
Where's the problem?
twice.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's because I didn't take my routes. My car routes.
They were gonna say your meds.
Oh! It's right off Kirby!
Oh, wait. Oh.
No, Kirby! You can't crash too! Let's just be real. Let's just be real. Even if I didn't fail, you still would have failed, and that's
No, I
what
would
matters.
have. No, I would have. No, I would have. No, I would have. No, I would have.
Oh, I almost crashed into you. Shit.
Go, go, go!
Hey.
Why did you do it? No, you mother.
We still have time. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We have time. Let me in.
Come on, Kirby. Yes!
Oh my god, we did it.
Hey, Tapa, I need to write you a message. Hold on.
Straight up carring right now. Look at my car, guys. Look at my... Oh. Check out my cool car, guys. I cabled it over. Whoops.